Greetings from this side. Myself Yashpal Katiyar. Today we will be solving the problem Let's Meet. It was asked in CP Titans 3.0, organized by Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala and sponsored by Algozenib. So let's understand the problem statement. Here we have two friends, Abhishek and Amit, and they want to go to shopping complex of NIT Agartala to have a cup of tea. Okay. So Abhishek was solving a CP problem. So Amit went ahead of him and Abhishek is eager to catch up to him, and Abhishek can travel at a speed of 2 units per minute and Amit can travel at a speed of 1 unit per minute, and they cannot travel backward. Okay, they only have to move forward. So given the current location of Abhishek and Amit, the task is to find the minimum time in which they will meet. Okay, we have to, our answer is the minimum time in which they will meet. So let's check out the input format. Both are in constraint 1 to 1000 and we have to output a single number. So let's visualize the problem. Abhishek is at 0.1 and Amit is at 0.9. Okay, difference between them is 8. Okay, so for instance, I pause Amit and I let Abhishek travel because he can travel faster. He can travel 2 units per minute. Okay, so he can from 1 to 3, he will take 1 minute. Then from 3 to 5, he will take 1 minute. 5 to 7 and 7 to 9. Okay, so in total of 4 minutes he can catch up to Amit. Okay, so we can hereby conclude that if our difference is even, we can let Abhishek travel, so he can travel at a speed of 2 units per minute, so answer will be difference divided by 2. Understand when our difference is odd. Okay, so here I have Abhishek at 0.2 and Amit at 0.9. Here we have difference 7. Okay, so I will stop Amit at this point and I will let Abhishek travel. Okay, from 2 to 4, 1 minute of time, from 4 to 6, 1 minute of time, and 6 to 8, another 1 minute of time. Okay, so from here we have two possible ways. Okay, the first way is I will let Amit travel 1 unit of more distance, so he will reach 0.10, 1 minute of time. Okay, and after that from 8 to 10, Abhishek can travel and it will require 1 minute of more time. Okay, so in total of 5 minutes of time, they will both catch up. Okay, this will be our answer. And the other possible way that we can have, I say, let Abhishek surpass Amit. Okay, from 8 to 10 and the 1 minute. And after that,